day one of being up in the hangar. Mark is rebuilding the shaft.
Drive shaft.
Shaft. It
have a washer that's a spacer.
Did it bust?
That has a shear bolt that breaks on purpose to keep you from breaking the shaft.
So the shaft didn't break.
The shaft didn't break. The bolt that's there to keep the shaft from breaking broke. Safety mechanism that actually worked. Drive shaft, universal joint. Drive shaft. Fun in the oil.
And there is a lot of oil.
Oil everywhere.
Everywhere.
Expensive oil, you might add.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And what are we doing now?
Ordering parts. And going to do laundry.
Woohoo! Yippee, woohoo. My favorite thing.
Mechanic Mark, plumber Mark, electrician Mark,
Captain Mark,
barista Mark. That's his favorite Mark, is the barista Mark.
One of these days you might be able to be...
I want to be the rum drinking Mark. That might be tonight.
All
Bye.
right.
Cheers.
I am here at Twin Rivers Marina, sitting on the dock, waiting for some manatees to come by. So hopefully, there's my word again, hopefully some will come by while I'm sitting here and I can get them on video or at least get some pictures. Mark is over working on the boat. He is having to repair the shaft of the boat, and we're not sure what damaged it. There could have been a couple different factors. I know that we hit a big boulder or something. We couldn't see it. It was in the water, but it was in the channel in Steenhatchee, and we hit it hard. And so we have repair to our keel to do. And we will be here at this marina until the work is done, hopefully by the weekend. Manatee swimming in front of me. Check it out. See if we see another one. So beautiful and peaceful out here. A lot of nature out here. Ducks, manatee. I saw a pinfish, really skinny fish. Mark would probably know the exact name of it. And hopefully in a little bit I'll see the dolphin. Beautiful. Yesterday when we were arriving, there was this cool steamboat that went by, but I didn't get much time to video. So today I'm sitting here by the river and I'm watching the steamboat come up to me, and he's gonna go past me. How cool is that? Such a cool looking boat. Come on. Come on, come up. Oh, come on. You gotta breathe. I know. Dang it. It's like they know you're waiting. Come on.
Carl, you still there? Man, I was videoing this manatee swam right beside the dock. I walked all the way beside the dock watching him. The sucker never come up. But he's like right below the surface. There's 3 of them. Yeah, it's big. There, he's just now coming up. About 40 yards from us. There's like at least 2 of them, maybe 3. That was pretty cool.
And they didn't come up all the way though.
Video off.
Dang it. I'm sitting here at the Twin Rivers Marina at Crystal River, and I just got done exercising. I'm sitting on my yoga mat, and I have my sunscreen, my bug repellent, which is natural oils, my weights, my band, my bag, my water, and the beautiful river out here. Anyway, I got my workout in. I hope you get yours in too. So I've been down on the job today, but I'm sitting out here with Mark's mom, and we're sitting by the river waiting for the manatee to come through. We had lunch in the pavilion behind us, and then we did some running around to get some things we needed and some things we didn't need.
Oh, yeah.
Like carrot cake Oreo cookies
And a pair of shoes.
and a pair of shoes that Mark said you are not getting.
Don't tell me.
Anyway, we are sitting here enjoying a nice breeze on a sunny day. Hope you're having a great day. Same game, same people,
Different place.
different place,
Different port.
different place. We are at Twin Rivers Marina in Crystal River. Mark's mom and dad are still in the general area.
Here we are.
And we are playing games once again. Who's winning?
Me.
We're all winning.
What's our number? 61
Winner.
to 8.
I'm
We're
the-
looking for 7.
I'm the winner.
Winner.
All right. Sunset at Twin Rivers Marina, Crystal River. Good morning.
Yes, it is. Happy day, oh happy day.
We had overnight guests on the boat last night on the hard. We are still on the hard.
Slept from 7:30 a.m. until 4.
Gracie,
Gracie, look.
are you camera shy?
Excuse me, 7:30 p.m.
Look.
Until,
Smile.
until about
Here.
4.
hey.
Gracie had to go potty.
Smile.
Hey. She's such a good girl waking us up and not
Too
peeing on
warm.
the floor.
Were you too warm?
Too warm in here.
Yeah, a little bit warm, but I'm not complaining because I'm ready for the warmth.
Well, yeah, you don't want cold. Burr.
Yeah.
We got cold at home. We could go home.
We're ready for warm too.
Yeah.
It's good.
All
I'm
right.
not wearing my
Now we're
bikini.
going to breakfast.
'Cause I don't
Yeah,
have one.
it's time for breakfast. We went to
Landlubber
bed.
breakfast.
We got in bed. What was it? 7:30.
7:30. Yeah, I was out.
I
by,
didn't fall asleep until 10
I was
at
out
least.
by 7:35, probably.
And we were awake at
4.
4:30. That's been what we've been doing lately. Anyway, hope you're having a good day.
Yeah. Have a happy day.
Having fun.
Gracie has nothing to say.
Gracie.
Gracie is panning. She wants.
Travis is working on the keel today. Hopefully we'll be done with this and be able to get it back in the water either today or tomorrow. Making some progress. Well, you'll have to excuse the no makeup look. But we've just been doing things around the boat, so no need. We haven't been going anywhere fancy. But Mark's parents just left. They spent most of the day with us yesterday, and they even spent the evening on the boat with us. And then today they've spent most of the day with us, and we just had a late lunch, early supper, and they are taking off to go back to Mark's aunt's house, and it's like somewhere, I can't remember where they are, Chiefland or somewhere around there. Anyway, and then they have to take their dog to Gainesville in the next day or so, and then they're going to my mom's condo in Claremont, and then from there they're going to Tampa to catch their cruise on Sunday. So anyways, that has been our last couple of days. We sure enjoyed having them, and they were able to take us around. Since we don't have a car, it saved us the expense of renting a car, and so we were able to get some running around done that we needed for parts and stuff. Anyways, the shaft is pretty much repaired. Mark's worked on some electrical. He's patching up a couple of spots that needed patching. The keel has been repaired. The paint has been touched up. We're hoping to go back in the water tomorrow morning as soon as high tide gets here. And we'll hang out in the water for a couple of days still in the area until the mechanic can check out the head gasket issue and make sure if we need that repaired, it gets repaired, and if not, just make sure that we're all good there. So we're getting closer to getting back on the water again and getting out of here and on that trip of ours. So we'll keep you updated. Have a great day.